Welcome to STA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about TS Eamcet 2021, what is normalization, effect of normalization on Eamcet marks and the formula to calculate the normalization. Before going to start the video, I would like to tell you, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to get notified. I would like to inform the BPC student your key will release on 14th or 16th. The key for answer key for BPC student will be released from 14 to 60. In between it will be released. Next is, what is normalization? Most of the students, they are eagerly waiting what is the meaning of normalization and what are the steps are required to calculate the normalization. Normalization means equaling the scores of candidate appearing in multiple shifts based on the difficulty level of the question paper. So the marks get equal depend upon the multiple shift based on difficulty level. So we know that we have 6 shift in TS Eamcet this year. On 4th 2 shift, 5th 2 shift, 6th 2 shifts. Now how to calculate this normalization? Let us see. The normalized marks of the candidate, that is, the formula is GASD. GASD stands for sum of average and standard deviation of all candidates across all sessions of the subject put together, plus GTA minus GST, GASD. GTA stands for average marks of the top 0.1% of the candidate across the session of the subject put together. Then minus GASD, sum of average standard deviation of all candidate across all sessions of the subject put together, divided by STA, average of marks of top 0.1% of the candidate in the subject of the session in which the candidate appeared, minus SASD, that is sum of average and standard deviation of subject of all session in which candidate appeared. Now this is a formula that multiplied with marks obtained by the candidate in the subject in a session minus SASD. This is the calculation. So if you put together, so you cannot calculate it. The TS Eamcet authorities will calculate this one. Why? Because you don't know the highest marks got by the candidate in a session and how many students appear in the session, that you don't know. So you cannot calculate. But you can judge the how the normalized marks of the candidate are calculated based on this formula. So if they put together, they will equalize the marks of the candidate based on the difficulty level. This formula is used to calculate the difficulty level as well as the number of student appear, how much marks student got, and what was the difficulty level of the paper. All score, they will equal the score as well as the difficulty level of the paper. With the help of difficulty level, they will equal the scores of the students. So this is the note is given for the candidate for whom there is no qualifying cutoff in TS Eamcet. If the marks in TS Eamcet after normalization go below 0, that is negative, the marks is treated as 0. If the tie persists, then TS Eamcet normalization marks are considered for resolving the tie. So this is for the candidate whose marks are not to the qualifying category cutoff of TS Eamcet. So now the students are asking this procedure, we know how we can calculate, that is we cannot calculate at this time, but what will be the marks will be added. See, if you see the shifts, the second shift, normally second shift paper was tough, so normally for second shift people the marks will be added, or the first shift 1 to 2 marks will be added, or the maximum marks that can be added this year we are thinking 4 to 3 marks will be added. So more 3 or 4 marks will be added, or less is minimum 1 to 4 is the range, or sometime it may decrease or increase depend upon the difficulty level, how the TS Eamcet authorities are going to calculate. This is brief. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment. If the students, those who got the marks and they are they want to know the rank, you can write in the comment. We will give you the rank, expected rank, how much you got this year. Thanks for watching.